no joke, every Ronaldo fan.
Yeah.
They're always saying that, okay, so for context, if somebody doesn't know this, Ronaldo is one of the biggest football players, ठीक है, whatever, और मतलब बहुत उस rags to riches की बहुत crazy कहानी है, और
Which I respect.
हाँ,
ठीक है भाई,
है,
struggle किया बंदे ने.
लेकिन I'm sorry, but you can't have more rape allegations than you do World Cup wins if you are the GOAT, है ना? You're the GOAT. Nobody told me that this man has never won the World Cup.
He's never.
Do you understand? You take how Indians think about Sachin Tendulkar, okay?
Yeah.
The world thinks about Cristiano Ronaldo in terms of football.
Yeah.
The world, okay? This is massive scale. Virat Kohli le lete. Virat Kohli is crazy cricketer.
Yeah.
But Virat Kohli wins. Cristiano Ronaldo, okay, somebody has told me, now this has come to my attention, is 41 years old.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They don't pass him the ball.
Yeah.
They don't let him score. His team does not let him score. Guys, can I tell you something? Okay. So I see these I've never been interested in football, but these days I'm getting all these reels about football, and वो पूरा मतलब चार्ट एक होता है कहाँ पर
साइड वगैरह समझ
कहाँ सब प्लेस हुआ है, और वो चार्ट पे ना छोटा छोटा उनका फोटो रहता है और नीचे
वो सब नाम रहते हैं,
नीचे उनकी रेटिंग रहती है. रेटिंग इज सिमिलर टू सीजीपीए, ठीक है, 10 आउट ऑफ 10 है.
Yes.
और तुम दूसरे टीम का देखो 9.8, 8.6, मतलब पूरा ग्रीन में है. Cristiano Ronaldo is placed at the dead center of the field. This is arguably the most crucial position. Starting position, बाद में तो सब यहाँ हो जाता है. Starting position is the most crucial position. वो टीम का तुम देखो, दूसरी टीम का पूरा ग्रीन में है, 9s है, 8s है. क्रिस्टियानो का स्कोर क्या है पूछ?
13.
7.
6-7. उस गूफी तो है ही. 6-7 को उन्होंने डेड सेंटर पे रखा है. उसने
देखना,
वो गोल नहीं कर पा रहा है, वो बूढ़ा है
भाई. तुमने जिस इंसान को गोट माना है,
हाँ,
वो
खेल
ढंग
नहीं रहा
से
है.
बॉल, भाई उससे अच्छा मैं फुटबॉल मार दूं.
नहीं
Okay.
ऐसी सब बातें करके ही हमारे फॉलोअर्स जाते हैं. हम बार 60,000.
एक सेकंड,
ये
वो फिर पिकल बॉल बताएंगे.
मैं बढ़िया थी भाई, मैं बढ़िया थी, बट मैं पैरेलल ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ. वो गोट होके इतना घटिया खेल रहा है, मैं नूब होके भी इतना अच्छा खेल रही हूँ. मेरा कहने का मतलब वो था. मैं वो नहीं बोल रही कि हाँ भाई उससे अच्छा मैं फुटबॉल खेलती हूँ. नहीं,
स्पोर्ट्स के तुम लोग दो अलग स्पोर्ट्स खेल रहे हो.
गाइस थोड़ा सा टैप आउट कर दो.
टैप आउट कर देते. अब मेरा हुआ नहीं है,
हाँ.
ठीक है. रोनाल्डो जो भी है, पीपल हर फॉर you can't be a Ronaldo enthusiast in this day and age. I'm sorry. Yeah, I know it's very, very sad ke, you know, such a big player with so many goals and such a
तुमने वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड है.
world records and such a story does not get to have a World Cup. Boo-hoo, sorry.
Okay.
I look care.
I know, right? I don't want to say it though. I don't want to say it.
I'll take a different angle to this.
okay.
I don't like him as a man again because of all the allegations and the way he has treated his girlfriend, almost wife, I don't know what, fiance. शादी नहीं हुई ना अब तक.
नहीं,
बस
नहीं,
इतना
propose
बड़ा
किया,
हाँ
हाँ.
इतना बड़ा डायमंड देख
Ugly
रहा है
ring
बस.
babe.
Ugly ring.
Ronaldo babe.
Ugly.
Ugly. It was so, I don't care.
But-
it was like you walked in and you were like, give me the most expensive thing you have.
And you just bought it.
But I genuinely think Ronaldo is one of the greatest players of all time, and I'll tell you why. Because he has worked very hard.
He really has.
Not in terms of, rags to riches story. He has followed the same kind of discipline that Virat follows in cricket.
Yeah.
Like with his eating habits, with his, hydration habits, his health, whatever he practices and everything. I feel like he has taken a lot of, effort in on his game, but it has not come to him, naturally.
It's not, he's had to work hard.
Whereas Messi, Messi has this
genetic ability.
disability actually.
Okay.
Due to which Messi is actually very short, guys.
Yeah.
And he also
Yeah,
has
so
I
he's
learned that
like
literally
a little bit taller than me, and I'm not that tall at
Yeah,
all.
she's like 5'1", so
I'm
he's
5'1".
5'2" at max.
He's 5.
yeah.
Oh,
Short king.
Short
A short king, I would like to.
But
respect.
he's a nice guy.
I'm sure he's a nice guy. You know,
He
he
is.
feels like the nice.
He is low-key autistic and cute.
He looks like my brother. Not the brother that you're thinking about. He looks like a different brother of mine.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and Messi, because of his genetic disorders, he can score more goals, or he can play a little better also, which I sometimes feel is a little unfair to
No.
Ronaldo.
No.
It's not unfair to Ronaldo.
No,
it's okay.
no,
It's
no, no,
not-
no, no. That's like saying
हाँ यार,
nepotism is
मतलब-
unfair to.
नहीं हाँ
actors.
नहीं बराबर है बट बुरा तो लगता है ना जब तुम खुद को अपने आप को रोनाल्डो के पोजीशन पे रखो. मेरे को मेसी पसंद है.
हाँ.
आई वुड चूज मेसी ओवर रोनाल्डो बट
Okay.
बुरा तो लगता है यार कि
नहीं,
मतलब
देख,
तुम इतना जी जान लगा रहे हो. You've literally given everything from your soul, from your body, and someone is winning, doing nothing, absolutely nothing.
How can you say that? Just because उसकी
Messi भी
disability
hard
है,
work
उसका
करता है
मतलब
भाई.
नहीं कि
हाँ,
उसने
Messi ने
मेहनत
भी
नहीं
किया
करी है
hard
भाई.
work.
ऑफकोर्स किया होगा. हाँ ठीक है, ऑफकोर्स किया होगा, पर मेरे को तो ऐसा ही लगेगा ना. मैं तो ऐसा ही सोचना
हाँ तो
चाहूंगी ना.
तुझे बेटर सोचना चाहिए. आई फील
हाँ
एज अ रोनाल्डो मुझे लगता है कि उसको भी ऐसा सोचना चाहिए कि भाई ये मेसी खुद से ऐसे ही फील्ड में नहीं आया ना उसके सामने.
हाँ भाई.
उसने भी मेहनत की है यार. वो एक तो पहले बटला है, उसको सीरियसली कौन ले रहा है.
देख,
फिर भी
उसने
वो
फिर भी
सब
अपना नाम
किया
बनाया.
ना,
सब
फिर भी
लोग
hit
लेते
ना.
हैं और मुझे लगता है कि मेसी इस साल अच्छा खेल रहा है क्योंकि वो अंबानी के घर पे पैर पड़ के गया था.
Hi guys, if you enjoyed watching this clip, the entire video is linked in the description below. So don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button to this and that channel, that is We Are Besharam. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.
Hi guys, if you like this clip, you can watch the entire episode at We Are Besharam on YouTube, or you can also check the link in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all the jazz, and I'll see you in the comments, okay? Bye!